All right, so today we're going to be studying tone and how tone appears in literature. Now, the definition of tone is the writer's attitude toward his or her audience and or subject. And this can appear in a number of different ways in text. So a work of writing can have more than one tone. And tone can change over the course of a story. How an author describes a character or how they describe what a character does can give you some clues as to how the author feels about his or her subject or audience. An example of tone can be both serious and humorous. And also tone is set by setting, choice vocabulary, and other details. With the author's word choice is not an accident. An author picks words and vocabulary for a reason, and they want to tell it as part of their story. So you're going to need to take out a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and write a 1 and a 2 on the paper. And then next to the number 1, you're going to write the tone of the piece. And number 2, you're going to write the words or the clues that give you that tone. What can you see, hear, and feel from whatever you're going to view, and how that gives you that tone. So you're going to click on the first YouTube video and watch it. As you're watching it or after you're done, write the tone down and then write down all the descriptions you can that give you that tone as they appear in the video. Then you need to repeat the process for the second video. We'll put a 1 and a 2, write the tone for the second video, and the clues that it gives you that you get that tone. Once you are done, I want you to compare both the videos to each other. How are they similar and how are they different? We'll create a Venn diagram later that will bank this information in. All right, now we're going to move on to actual text rather than video. You're going to read the sentence above, and then again, you need to write the tone of the piece and then the words that tell you the tone. You can put another number 1. So these are the answers that are in red that give you the tone of the piece. So first of all, the tone is happy, joyous, or excited. It carries a lot of energy. And the words of energy that it uses are words such as bouncing, lit up, and joyous to describe how this is a happy tone. All right, so now you're going to repeat the process. You're going to read the sentence above and then describe the tone and the words they use to tell you the tone. Here are the answers that I came up with.